Hey, wonderfuls. Van sinks. Wait. Don't click off. I know it's a controversial topic whether to have a sink in your van or not, but it's up to your own preference. For my van, I needed something for brushing my teeth and washing my hands. So here is my water system slash portable hand wash station. If I need to do dishes or something big, I'll just use a collapsible sink or bucket, something to that effect. So this very simple system consists of a water jug with a tube running up to an electric pump that has a tap on it. The sink is a funnel with some more tubing running down to a gray water jug. And the funnel just sits beneath the tap on a hook or a beer tab if your hook breaks. And it can be moved easily if needed. So I still have this on a double tube system because I was previously using it for a manual water pump, and that one worked a little differently than the electric one. So the outer tube actually doesn't touch the water, it is just sealed to the pump and the bottle and allows air to go inside the water tank and then force the water up through the inner food safe tube and out the tap. I've just modified bottle lids to fit on the actual water bottle, and then for the pump to sit on and hold the tubes in place. And I use leak seal tape and food safe silicone to seal everything together. For the end of the tube that goes inside the water bottle, in order to keep it from floating in the water, I needed something heavy and safe for drinking water. So I used some body jewelry. Don't worry, I cleaned it, and it does the trick. The loop in the freshwater tube isn't necessary. I just know that I'm going to be changing my van soon, and this gives me a little more flexibility on where I can put the bottles and makes it a lot easier to swap out the bottle. The loop in the gray water tube is necessary. That is a P-trap, not like that, like the letter P, and it keeps a little bit of the gray water in the tube to keep any stink from coming out of the gray water tank. And this tube doesn't have to be food safe. This is just an old scrap one. And I used a hose clamp to fasten it to the funnel. The gray water tank is just an old cleaner jug with a very convenient sight on the side so I can keep an eye on the level. This system could work with pretty much any bottle as long as you modify the lids, and it's fairly portable. I've just got it on a light stand in my kitchen so you can get a better look. But I will say the electric pumps are a lot nicer to use than the manual pumps. But if the button is accidentally pushed and the funnel isn't beneath it, it will definitely dump out about a liter of water onto the van floor before it shuts itself off. So I make sure to cover the button with a cup or something while I'm driving. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Be good, stay safe, and wash your hands.